Now we will see why does a country need a constitution. Now we have already seen that what is meant by constitution. It is most important for each and every country to have their own constitution, written book, become document of constitution in which all the rules and regulation must be there. Today most countries in the world have constitution. While all democratic countries are likely to have a constitution, it is not necessary that all countries that have a constitution are democratic. Now, first we will see what is meant by democratic countries. Democracy. We all know that democracy means of the people, for the people, by the people. It means that in democratic country, citizens of the country have their right to elect their representative. They have right to give vote and elect their representative who will work for only for the citizen of India. So India is also a democratic country, and it is given that all the countries, it is necessary for all the countries to have their own written constitution. But it is not like that that the constitution, if the country have constitution, it must be democratic. There are two type of country. First is democratic and second is monarchy. Democratic means where the people elect their representative themselves, and monarchy, it means kingship, means just like Nepal. Earlier there was king of Nepal, and who has their whole right to run the government. But here it is given that all the democratic countries are likely to have a constitution. मीन्स जितने भी डेमोक्रेटिक कंट्रीज़ हैं उन सब डेमोक्रेटिक कंट्रीज़ का अपना एक कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन रहता है, लेकिन ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं कि जितने भी कंट्रीज़ का में कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन है वो पूरे के पूरे डेमोक्रेटिक होना चाहिए. The constitution serves several purposes. Now we will see what are the purpose of constitution, what are the functions of constitution. First, it lays out certain ideas that form the basis of the kind of country that we as citizens aspire to live in. First function of constitution is it lays out certain ideals that form the basic of the kind of country that we as citizens aspire to live in. Means constitution gives some ideas, it forms some ideas, some rules for the country, and that ideas must be followed by the citizens which are living in that country. Second, or put another way, a constitution tells us what the fundamental nature of the society is. Second thing, constitution also tells us what are the fundamental nature of our society, what will be the fundamental nature of our society.